And here is the two phones side by side. And now let's just open WhatsApp. Yep, just let me do the pattern. And as you can find here, one is absolutely new. So what I need to do is, let's make a conversation over here, and let me just find out. Oh, yep. So this one. And now let's make a ping. Hi. And as you can see, here is the message. It comes instantly. And let's just fix a profile picture to make this video more genuine. Which one? Oh, this one is great, I guess. Yep, that's right. And done. And you can find also here in this phone, the profile picture is available here. And now let's make some conversation over here. Hello, hi, how are you? Whatever. Just wait for a few time, please. And here are some stickers. So as you can see, the chat is absolutely genuine. And now what I'm gonna do is just block, and hit that block, and it's done. Now you can see the account has been blocked. No status. There is an image because of I set this image in my contact details. And when you send a SMS, you can see the tick is never getting double. It means it never delivered yet. So now you're absolutely blocked. And now here you can see that the account is blocked right now, and you can find the unblock option over here. So what you need to do now, when you are literally blocked by someone in WhatsApp, now let's go into this settings, and you can find it on this corner tab. Yep, the settings, and then go to the account, and now hit the delete account and place the number, your actual WhatsApp number, over here. So you can find the WhatsApp number here, and just a minute and type it down. Yep, and now hit that delete my account, and you need to fix your records. I'm heading with the others option. There are many options you can read. And now finally delete account. So it will help you to reset your WhatsApp account, and now you can start at the beginning. So just verify your number as always you do, and hit that edit, and now just write down the text OTP what you have received in your phone, and that's all. It's looking for some backups, but I literally don't have any backup. So in this particular case, skip option is better, I guess. But if you have some backups, you can do. But please do note that in this process you never recover your backups like messages and ever, because the account is entirely deleted. Okay, so let's go. And now here you can see the new WhatsApp, and it takes a little time to unblock the entire system, but you can easily type an SMS. For save your time, I'm skipping some minor videos, and now you can see that the SMS, or you can say text, is sent. Step 2: call your friend and tell him to add or create a group with you and the person who blocked you and he himself, and then tell him that just left the group